Have you ever wondered what challenges lie in the path of stem cell manufacturing? Imagine the complexity of nurturing these microscopic powerhouses of regeneration, ensuring their growth and preservation. The crux of the issue lies in the ability to reproduce these cells at scale while maintaining their essential characteristics and viability. But before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is the stem cell. Stem cells, especially primary mesenchymal stem cells, hold the promise of new frontiers in medicine. Their potential to regenerate and their pluripotency have positioned them as potent tools for treating previously untreatable neurodegenerative and genetic disorders. However, harnessing this potential comes with its unique set of challenges. The manufacturing of stem cells, particularly on a large scale, is a process that requires precision, consistency, and continuous monitoring. Parameters such as pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen, glucose levels, among others, need to be kept in check to maintain optimal cell physiology and growth. Traditional monitoring techniques have struggled to provide comprehensive and real-time data, particularly in larger production environments. This is where the story of the smart bioreactor begins. The smart bioreactor is a revolutionary system developed to tackle these challenges head-on. It is a large-scale bioreactor equipped with fully integrated wireless multivariate sensors and electronics. The traditional single-use cell bag bioreactors, with their rigid and single-point sensors, had limitations in accuracy and scalability for high-quality cell manufacturing. In response to this, the smart bioreactor was born. The smart bioreactor system is a game-changer. It enables multispatial sensing for continuous assessment of culture properties. It can monitor parameters in real time for up to 30 days, providing accurate data on time dynamic and spatial variations of stem cells and myoblast cells. The design of the smart bioreactor is such that it can accommodate adjustable carriers from a plastic dish to a 2-liter cell bag. This makes it versatile for various applications in large-scale, lower-cost, reproducible, and high-quality engineered cell manufacturing for clinical use. In summary, the smart bioreactor has made strides in addressing the challenges faced in stem cell manufacturing. It provides an innovative solution that enables continuous and real-time monitoring of cell culture conditions. Its integrated wireless multivariate sensors and electronics provide accurate and reliable measurements of key culture parameters. By maintaining the flexibility and integrity of the cell bag, it improves the reproducibility and quality of stem cell manufacturing processes. The smart bioreactor, therefore, emerges as an instrumental tool in the journey towards harnessing the full potential of stem cells, bringing us one step closer to the promise of personalized medicine.